Hey YouTube, today what I have for you is a really rare and really interesting fan. It's a 54-inch Casablanca Siena ceiling fan. I recently picked this up from Marketplace and it came new in box for a really good price. Here's the box. And considering how uncommon these fans are, I thought it was a really good purchase. So yeah, here's the box on this. And this fan was dated in April 30th of 2009. But let me just show you the tag real quick. Hopefully you can see it fine. And it was also the 273rd fan made that day. All right. So this fan utilizes, just like the Casablanca Wilderness, a 3-speed VersaTouch remote. But as you can see, it doesn't have the downlight because it doesn't work. If I'm being honest, there's like a connection issue with the VersaTouch since this fan's getting old. So here it is though. It just needs to get fixed. Also the wiring is kind of short, so there's that too. And yeah, start off with the light. It's beautiful. It uses a Scavo glass uplight, so here's the dimming options. How you install this is pretty bizarre. You insert 3 40-watt bulbs into some hinges. I don't know if you saw when I was recording the tag about some screws up there, so you have to take those screws off and put the bulbs in there. So yeah, as you can see, here's auto dim. Yeah, it's beautiful though. And with that being said, let's start it up on low speed. So the Siena was sold from roughly 2006 through 2012, but 2011 was the last year it appeared on Casablanca's catalog, if I'm not wrong. And one of the most distinctive features that you can point out from this fan is its blade design, of course. It's really weird, especially for a Casablanca fan. It's wide curved blades that can be reversed from relic to burnt cherry. I have it on burnt cherry right now. I'll put it on relic when the uplight's fixed, or not the uplight, downlight. And what's weird is that they're also mounted through there's like some hex screws, and they only are like connected by a washer. So yeah, this fan was also sold in a singular finish, and that was, like you see here, oil rubbed bronze. So that's cool. Oops. So here's medium. So like the Murea, the Siena was part of Casablanca's Cosmopolitan Collection, which was a lineup that showcased designs inspired by locations around the world, but unfortunately these fans were manufactured in China, so there's definitely a disparity in quality between these fans and like the Brescia, the Holstein, and other Casablanca fans. So this model draws, obviously, elements from the fabled city of Siena, Italy, and really gives an Italian touch to any home. Also, I don't know if you can hear, but there's, you can hear buzzing right now. And that's unfortunately because there was some styrofoam caught in the motor housing between the blade irons. There's no way to take the blade irons off because they're connected to a conic piece. So, yeah. And as you can see, it uses a hang true system, which is weird because the other Cosmopolitan I have, which is a Murea, uses a Hunter hanging system from the time. So yeah. And now here's high speed. So like the Wilderness, this fan also uses a direct drive motor, but it doesn't push out as much air as the Brescia or the Holliston, for example, because of its fat blade arms. It still pushes out good air. There's just, like I've said before, definitely a disparity between these fans. So there's a light. Let me showcase the airflow for you. But this fan's just beautiful. I mean, the uplight is just, it's like the best uplight I've seen on any fan, to be honest. All right, with that being said, here's spin down. So overall, really pleased with this fan. Love the way it looks. Now my plans for this fan, it might become Kason food if he gives me a good deal for like a really other really cool fan, but it still looks great. So yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.